Hello GBC world, welcome to another great ball contraption video. I built this module about 2 years ago and now it's time to make a video about it. The prototype was a bit bigger with more parts and the motor was installed inside the module itself. The wave section were supported underneath by 2x3 bricks. These parts suffered significant wear from the pulleys, as you can see here. I brought the idea up for discussion in the German GBC community's Discord channel. Quite soon the idea came up to use this as a workshop module. I was all for it. After some back and forth, it evolved into a module with fewer than 300 parts that could run on shared power and be modified in various ways, as we will see later. The drive unit connects externally at the rear and can power 3 to 4 modules. Manual operation is also possible. A corner gearbox was also built to allow the modules to be linked together around corners. Even with a new design featuring curved slopes underneath the waves, the pulleys still cause clear signs of wear. I'd estimate they can handle about 10 days of continuous operation before needing replacement. The output section, featuring the waves in essentially a 10 by 14 matrix that can be customized, like the German flag shown here. For the world record layout in 2025, over 100 modules of this type were in operation. This section alone shows nearly 40 modules, some with very nice designs. Here you can see modules displaying the flags of various countries that participated in the world record. And here on the right is a version with 3 wave sections, while the one on the left has only 2. This mechanism is for shared power in a straight line. And here is the corner gearbox. Thank you for watching.